So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. Thank you so much for joining, thank you so much for sparing, and my name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I am just here to give you a quick brief information about this strategy which we are going to talk about today, and I am sure that you guys are doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and of course like always you are ready to learn a new strategy. So the name of the strategy which we are going to discuss today is Safari. How to apply it manually, automatically, we are going to talk about this. Apart from that, there are a couple of another topics like money management, risk management, how to set a goal, whether that is a stop loss or take profit, we will be talking about that also. And of course, if you will be having any doubt, any question, any query, feel free to ask me, because this 1 hour is only dedicated to you people. So I will try my best to help you with all your trading concerns. So before we move ahead guys, just a quick information that the comment section is already live for you. If you will be facing any difficulties regarding this session, like you have any confusion regarding the strategy, how to apply it, how to use it, anything, make sure you use it wisely and take full benefit of it. We will hardly wait for next 2 to 3 minutes. I'm checking that traders are keep on joining, so we will just hardly wait for 2 more minutes and then we will kick off the session. We will not be wasting much time in waiting, and whosoever will be joining late, so of course they can scroll the session back and then of course they will be able to watch it. Okay, so guys, just a quick information I'll be looking from your end, that please confirm in the comment section if my audio and my video is clear, because if anything is required to be done, anything is required to be fixed, of course I would love to do that, because I don't want any technical issue or anything in between the session. So I just want to confirm if everything is streamlined, even though I have checked on my device, but I just want a quick confirmation from your end. So guys, just please give me a thumbs up if everything is streamlined, or if anything is required to be done, I'll just do it right away. Okay, so guys, if I'll give you a quick introduction about the Safari, so it's a very easy strategy. All you just need to focus on 2 things and you will be getting some confirmation, some signals. Okay, so I got the confirmation from Chal Basta Utha. Yes sir, audio and video is clear. Perfect. So guys, let's kick off the session without wasting any time. Let's kick off the session. So welcome again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns. So if you talk about the strategy, how to apply it, let's talk about that thing. And the screen guys which is visible to you, this is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that some of my traders, they are using the mobile application, so the interface might be different, but one thing I can assure you that guys, whatever the strategy you are going to use or you need to apply, everything is available in your mobile application also. So all the technicals are available for that as well, nothing to worry. Okay, so how to apply this strategy, the easiest and the main important topic. So it's very easy. As you can see that there is a tower at the bottom, there is a button with the name of technical analysis. Once you click on that one, a new window is going to pop up. If you are using a mobile application, same button, the same shape, it's like a alphabet A, that is going to be visible somewhere on the top. On the top you will be able to see your balance. Just below that, asset name, and just right to that, the same button is there with the name of technical analysis. Just open that one. You don't need to go to indicator, oscillator, drawings, just directly go to strategy, start scrolling down, and here we go. This is the strategy which we are supposed to talk about today, Safari. These 3 lines are indicating that this is a expert level strategy. This is the name of the strategy, and this can be used for FTT and FX, which means fixed time trading and forex, both of them. Okay, so once I'll click on this strategy, a small piece of introduction is there, and then it's mentioned in written also that how this strategy works. So it's basically based on MACD and William %R standard periods. This is most suitable for the trends movement of the market. So this strategy we will be using when we are trying to follow the trend. MACD and William %R need to both above 0 line or below 0 line. I'll be explaining that also, nothing to worry. 2 oscillators we are going to use, William %R and MACD, which is already mentioned here. Once I'll click on the enable strategy, and here we go. You can see everything is applied on my screen. Guys, before moving ahead, I just want some information from your end also, that guys, let me know if anybody, any one of you have used this strategy, if they are facing any difficulties or not, because as I can see that there is one comment from Mr. Akpak that Safari is not his favorite strategy. So Mr. Akpak, please let me know like what are the difficulties you are facing with this strategy. So there is a possibility that I might be able to help you, and in the meantime, if somebody is using this strategy and they are able to make some profit, or they are having some doubts, make sure you use it in the comment section and clear out your doubt. Okay, so let's move ahead. So guys, if this strategy is locked for you, do not need to pay anything for that. Don't buy this strategy. This can be applied manually also. So all you just need MACD with the 12, 26 and 9, and William percent R with 14. So just go to the same technical button. First type MACD. Click on that one. The same frequency is there. Good to go. Now William percent R. So just type William percent R. For this one, the same frequency again. So we need 14, and the by default is also 14. But in case if you are applying any another strategy, just click on that one. And if you want to change the frequency, just change the frequency. Don't click on this cross, remove or reset. Just click on the back button, click on these three dots, save the strategy, and next. This, your strategy is ready to use for free, of course. So again, I am repeating myself, guys, do not need to buy the strategies whichever we are talking about during the sessions, or you are having conversation with your analyst, because these can be applied manually also. Okay, now how this strategy works, let's talk about that. But before we start about that part, I am going to make some visualization changes with this strategy. Again, I am repeating, it's only regarding the visualization, not regarding the frequency, because what I believe, the more easy it is easy to understand, or the lesser the complications are there on the screen, the more easy it will be for you to use or to understand that when the signal is there. So what I am going to make a change, if I'll zoom in now and if I'll try to observe. So if you try to observe, so you can see that there is a one level with the number 0 with the frequency of 0, and there is a straight line, and every now and then these bars either sometime they are on the upper side or at the bottom side, or whenever they are changing the direction. So there is an intersection of this red and green line also. So basically this red line is like a baseline, and this green line is like a MACD line. So in whichever direction it is going to intersect, that can be the direction of the market. So either you can rely on these two lines, or you can rely on this one. That is completely up to you. Or if you want to make it a bit more easy to understand, so what I will do, I will just hide the line, I will just hide the signal. From this one, I will just change it to line, and now I believe that is more easy to understand. Let me take a bright color so that will be more visible. Okay, so now how this strategy works, let's talk about that one. So as I have already talked about MACD multiple times in the previous sessions also, so it's going to be the same thing. So whenever the MACD level, the 0 level, is going to be intersected with this MACD line, in whichever the direction the intersection will be, that can be the direction of the market. So guys, there is a difference between that will be and that can be. Because see, what are these technical tools? These are just some mathematical calculation based tools. Those who are going to analyze previous candles, calculate previous candles, and on that basis they are going to give you idea that what can happen in the market. And there are no such strategies which will be giving you 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, you should be focusing on your money management and risk management also. Do not invest everything in a single trade. Please focus on that part also. Okay, so all you just need to focus on, whenever there is an intersection of this red line with this base level, if the intersection is in the downward direction, the market can go into the downward direction. If the intersection is in the upward direction, market can move into the upward direction. Very easy to understand. Now let's talk about this, the second one, William percent R. So in William percent R, if you notice, there are three levels: -20, -50 and -80. If I'll zoom out, so you can see. So whenever the intersection of MACD with the 0 line is in the upward direction, and you will be finding that these bars are getting formed on the upper side of -50, they will be indicating that market can go into the upward direction, or vice versa if the intersection in the downward direction, and at the same time these bars will start appearing at the below side of minus 50, that they will be indicating that market can move into the downward direction. Once you will be getting both the confirmation at the same point, or there is a difference of hardly one candle, you can open a position. But if the difference is more than that one, I'll suggest avoid that. Guys, you can keep on commenting in the comment section. I will be coming to the comment section also, so nothing to worry. Whatever the doubts you have, I will be taking about that. Okay, so I hope so far everything is clear, that how to use this strategy, how to apply this strategy. Still, if you will be having any doubt, you can write me in the comment section. Now we are going to kick off the action part. We are going to do some live trading, but before coming to that, guys, some important points which you should be focused on. First one, it's the financial market, guys. There is a possibility of partial and full capital loss. So considering that thing, before start investing money, I'll suggest you invest some time also. Invest some time to learn these things, learn the technicals, fundamentals, markets, everything, so that you will be able to avoid negative results. Make sure you will practice everything. Second thing, all the strategies, there are no strategies those who will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest everything in a single trade. Second thing, do not try to over trade also. All the trades which I am going to take, or I have taken in the past, or I am going to take in the future, everything is depending on my practice, my skill set, and I am responsible for that. And the last and the most important part, even though this session is live, we are talking live to you, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 25-30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open right away in front of you, so that will be visible to you after 30 seconds or 1 minute. And if you will try to do some copy trading, that can lead to a negative results. Because the position which I will be opening now, you will be opening after 30 seconds or 1 minute, then of course that can create a difference with the results. So please avoid copy trading, because guys, understand one thing, after this session also you are supposed to take some trades. So considering that thing, please focus on learning part only, because once you will be having a hold on the strategy, of course you will be able to trade even at the midnight or in the late evening also. Okay, because this session is hardly for next 40-45 minutes to go, and after that I'll be turning off this session. So make sure you focus on the learning part. Okay, so guys, I will keep on shuffling my cards. I mean to say, I will keep on shuffling the assets, and I will try to find some signals. In the meantime, I will be checking your comments also. So make sure you drop your comments, you drop your doubts, and of course, if any one of you have used this strategy in the past, let me know. Guys, see, there was a very nice signal. Even the support resistance level was also breached, and after that market move into that specific direction. No worries, we will be waiting for the next signal. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there is a consolidation market going on. So far the signal is pretty old. No worries, let's see what if we can fetch any signal. Or what I will do, I will just open a couple of more assets with high profitability. So let me open a couple of more assets, like assets those who are having 85 or more than 80 or more than 80%. Or let me open some composites also. Okay, so I believe we have enough assets now to trade on. Okay, so we will keep on shuffling our cards, we will keep on shuffling our assets, and we will keep on looking for the signal. Okay, so in that meantime, I will also check some comments also. So okay, so Deepak Jalal ji is saying that his withdrawal is pending. I'm so sorry to hear, Deepak ji. I request you, please connect with support team. They will be helping you with all your deposit withdrawal and verification concerns. A standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. So majority of requests are processed within 24 hours. But if still it is taking some time, I just request you stay calm, nothing to worry. Team is already on it and they will get it processed. Olymptrade is safe. Shumel Shabir ji, we are regulated by government of Vanuatu, member of FinCom, so nothing to worry. Olymptrade is safe, and even though we are in the market for more than a decade, so everything is streamlined, nothing to worry. Kanwal ji want to ask, bhai Demon khel raha hu. Kanwal ji, that is good to know that if you are trading on demo, I suggest sharpen your skills, spend some time over there, try to learn some technical tools, practice them there. If you will be facing any difficulties, of course there will be no pressure of losing money, and once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, after that I'll suggest you can move to the live account whenever you feel comfortable. Either before I deposit, will they ask verification after? Kianu ji, verification is initiated by the system itself. You can do a voluntary verification also, but if it is a mandatory verification which is initiated by system, you have to do it. Sultan ji, hello. Relaxing Rathore ji, very good evening. Hello. Usman Jat, okay. मेरा level 11 but बंद कर दिया गया है. Relaxing ji, there is a possibility that you were not able to hold that level for the enough time, or the expiry date was there, because whatever the level you have, so they have a expiry date for that. So you can see that for my level 15 days to go. Okay, so that's how the level works. So apart from the starter level, advanced and expert, both of them are having a expiry date of 30 days. Okay sir, how to work on Olymptrade? I mean, I am interested in joining your company. I could not find any career page. Akpak ji, it's very simple. Just drop your CV and your cover letter to the support team, and they will forward it to the relevant department. Whenever there will be any vacancy that will be relating to your experience, they will be get in touch with you, and then they will be giving you all the required information, that what is that working mode and everything whatsoever, for you will be selected or shortlisted. Okay, so which timing is good for UAE? Opal Ranjit ji. Opal ji, it's not about the what timing is good or what timing is bad. It's all about that how your technicals are working. Apart from that, like whenever the market is switching from one to another, I'll suggest you can take a break for 25 to 30 minutes. And guys, if I'll talk about the time, I'm so sorry I missed one thing to talk about. So for this strategy, this suggested time frame for the chart is minimum 1 minute, and the suggested time frame for the trade is 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll focus on 3 minutes for now. We took one trade, and that trade was negative. Let's see what can be done to improve it. Let's see. Okay, so expert per response per one level per. Okay, so see guys, if we would have opened a trade for 3 minutes, of course there was a more chances of profit, but nothing to worry, we will try to recover it. Or even though there was an opportunity to open the trade on the previous candle, but we were quite late, so that could be the reason also for the negative result. And guys, again, this is not for only this strategy. This can be this is applicable for all the strategies. Fresher the signal, better the results can be there. So I mean to say, if the signal just got appear and you are confirmed about everything, like you checked support, resistance, candle formation, everything, it's a good time to open a trade. Do not wait for a very long time, like I'll wait for next 20 seconds or 30 seconds for that trend to be followed, because sometime you will be facing some negative results also. Because if you were supposed to open a trade on this level, but you managed to open a trade on this level or on this level, so of course that trade was supposed to go negative. But if you would have opened at the beginning of this candle, so of course that was supposed to go positive. So in this trading, even every single second matters. Okay, so try to work on that one. Do not trade on a signal which can be there or which will be there. And second thing, do not take a trade on the signal which is already there and like couple of seconds have already passed. Like 5 to 10 seconds is still fine, but if it is like 1 minute or more than 1 minute, I'll suggest to avoid it. Okay, so there is a signal. Okay, so we have opened a trade in the downward direction. So intersection is already done. The William percentile is also indicating that market can go into the downward direction. If I'll try to combine it with the support or resistance also, so no levels are there. If we'll be considering this level, so of course it is already breached. So let's see, let's look for some another assets also. I am keep on shuffling the assets. I am keep on trying to find signals just to give you some information that how to use this strategy. But guys, for you there are no such compulsion. There is nothing like that. You have to open a trade back to back. So what I will suggest, open one trade, wait for the result. After that, whether you need to use your money management or whether you need to use your risk management, take the next trade as per that. So money management means if you want to increase the capital, how much it should be. Risk management means if you want to reduce the trade amount, so how much it should. So that should be also calculated. Do not take any impulsive trade or any trade with some aggression that I have lost something and I have to recover it right now. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so I was expecting that there will be a signal sooner or later, so let's switch to the same asset. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling the cards. And why I'm lost the money. MHL Creation ji, I'm sad to know that you are facing some losses on the platform. I request you, please use some technicals and just let me know what is your level on the platform and which strategy you are using right now. Like if any technical tools you are using. Relaxing ji saying, sir, I have already informed you that every level they are having their expiry date, and you can hold that level for a longer duration. Like if I am on an expert level and if I'll touch the step 5, so I will be able to keep this status for next 30 days. But even though if I will be on step 18, that will reduce my step, but I will be still on the same level. But if I'll not be able to achieve 5th level before the time pass, so I will be moved to the advanced level. So that could be the reason, but nothing to worry. If you are on the same level, so of course the same profitability is there, same priority level is there on your withdrawal request, same discount is going to be there on your forex mode trading commission, so everything is same. Okay, so nothing to worry. इस कंपनी क्लोज होता है, आप लोगों ने इन लोगों की बात नहीं आना है, छोटा अमाउंट विन भी हो जाता है मगर बड़ा अमाउंट. SMG, I'm sad to know that if you are facing some difficulties, but one thing I can assure you that there is nothing like that. We are the company is regulated by the government of Venue2 and we are also part of FinCom, so everything is streamlined. Still, if you have any doubt regarding any course, it's very easy to calculate, it's very easy to check. All you just need to go to this button, scroll down, view quote history, and at the bottom you can see that there is a third party which will be giving you a certification for each and every quote. So every quote is certified. There is nothing like that. It is going to be different. And in the meantime, it's completely fine if you want to explore the platform on multiple devices, because if you are experiencing that this a small amount trade is going positive but the higher is going negative, so there is a possibility that if you have opened a trade for $100, so there might be some trader who have opened a trade in the opposite direction in 1000. So as per you, the course should be different, but what you will find, the codes are same in both the devices. In whichever the market is supposed to proceed, it is proceeding in the same direction, and whosoever made the correct calculation, correct analysis, they are winning the trade. So it's not about that. And in the meantime, still if you feel that with the small amount you are able to make profits, I'll suggest, why don't you stick to the small amount and just keep on taking trades back to back, and you are generating a big capital. Because if you talk about my capital, I am also trading with $10 only, but if you talk about my capital, I have a handsome amount there. Because whenever you are trading with high capital, with a big amount, so you are already under a pressure, or you are already very excited to make a profit. And what mistake which we are going to make during that time. So even the signal is in process or about to be there, we are taking trades on the basis of that also, that signal will be there or signal can be there. So why not to take a trade right up? Guys, always avoid that scenario. Once the signal is there, then I'll suggest. Because see, now if I try to observe the market right now, the signal can be there any moment, but there is a possibility of the reversal also. So that is the reason that I haven't opened a trade. And in the meantime, if I try to observe the previous candles also, so there can be a resistance level also. So these are the things where you need to focus on. It's not only that we are going to check some signal and we are going to open some random trades. We have to spend some time. Every time I lost almost 20k loss this trading app. MHLG, I request you, please invest some time also. Learn a couple of things about these strategies, about technicals, about platform. After that, I'll suggest you to start investing real money. And in the meantime, please suggest if you are using any technical tool, any strategy. So of course, I would love to help you with like the one you are using, or if you are making any mistake. SKG, this is a Safari strategy which we are using right now. Okay, so let me just give me a moment. Okay. I'm so sorry guys, I need to refresh the system. Just a quick moment. I was facing some sort of buffering in the system, so just give me a quick moment. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so I believe everything is fine now. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, so there was a signal but we have missed it, but nothing to worry, no worries at all. We will keep on shuffling the cards. Why withdrawal take a lot of time instead of deposit? Shumail ji, there is a different process for the deposit and different for the withdrawal. So that is the reason that there can be a different time frame, but this standard time frame is 24 hours to 5 working days. Majority of them are processed within 24 hours, but if it is taking some time, I request you to please stay calm and do not cancel the withdrawal. Let the relevant team work on that and get it processed. Okay. आकपाक जी, नो वरीज. सॉरी, मैं ये कह रहा था कि मेरी लेवल पहुँचा दिया है एक दिन में नहीं. Relaxing ji, as I have already mentioned that there is a possibility that the specific time duration is already over. That is the reason that your level on the platform has been reduced. Nothing else. Kiano ji, for me, I have installed the app already, just not so does it use verify before you start deposit the money in it? Sir, if you want, you can verify your account before that also. Just connect to the support team and just let them know that you want to proceed with the verification, so they will initiate the required verification and you will be able to do that. That is completely fine. Okay, so so we have taken one trade. Okay, the trade was negative. Let me see what was the requirement to be done. Okay, so we have taken a trade for 3 candles and the 3 candles trade went negative. Okay, no worries. Let's move to the another scenario. And guys, one more thing, that US market is about to open at 7, so that could be the reason that 7 Indian Standard Time, so that could be the reason that there is a volatility. And sometime I believe that I am this is my experience, that before opening up any market, like hardly 15 to 20 minutes, and after opening up the market, there can be some sudden fluctuations which are quite common. So that could be the reason also for this. Okay, so that is the reason that the market is in the consolidation mode also. And this is the time zone which I am also suggesting to my traders, that please either avoid taking trades during that time, or you can take a quick break for the same. Let me remove a couple of assets, so we will be able to trade on some composites and some metals. So I am just removing some currency pairs. Okay, so let's again keep on switching the assets and keep on fighting different technicals. Okay. Okay, so again we will be moving to the another assets, and let me keep on. I found one strategy which is giving me signal 5 to 10 in a month using 3-step martingale, and the accuracy is about 8 wins out of 10. Could you please tell me, should I make my modification, sir? Akpak ji, that is good to know that if you are able to make that much success rate, that is completely fine. You can proceed with it. That is completely your decision. But I'll suggest, if you are using martingale, use it wisely. If you are using it for 3 steps or max to max 4, that is completely fine, but do not follow the martingale for a very long duration, because if you are keep on double up the amount, so that can wipe out your capital very shortly. But if you are getting 8 wins out of 10, so that is completely fine, you can use it. Okay, so relaxing ji, then there is a possibility that you got the test drive for that specific level. I'll suggest, do me a favor, just share your trader ID in the comment section, just only the trader ID, and I will just have a look on that. If anything is required to be done, of course we will do it, but I'm sure if that was hardly 1 day, so that could be the test drive, but still I will look into it, nothing to worry. Just share your trader ID, nothing else. Please avoid sharing, guys, this is for everyone. Please avoid sharing personal information like your contact number or email ID. Just share your trader ID, and that can be fetched from here itself. So this is your trader ID, just share it with me in the comment section. Okay, so consolidation market is there back to back. We are not finding any signals, but nothing to worry, we will keep on moving for that. Olymptrade and Olymptrade, both apps are same. Yes sir, these both of them are, but make sure that you also cross verify the developer also. So there is a possibility that someone might have uploaded their application, so just cross verify the developer, that who developed this application, and then you can download it. Okay, Adolji, nice, thank you so much. 5 seconds. Pixel ji, I'll suggest avoid taking trades with very short time duration, because the shorter the time duration, the higher the risk can be there. But if you want to use it for a very short time frame, I'll suggest use some technicals. If you don't know any technicals like which you can use or which you want to use, there is one strategy with the name of smart RSI. You can follow that one, but for that also, if I am using that strategy, I am using it for at least 2 to 3 candles if the trade time frame is less than 5 minutes or less than 1 minute at least, so you can do it. Okay, Asia Composite, moving index, all these indexes are live or algo trading from Olymptrade, sir? These all are live, and you can check the backend assets also which are behind each of the, just a minute, let me show you. So if I open Asia Composite, okay, so sorry, okay, so just go to the info part. So all the assets, those who are supporting the Asia Composite or those who are comprising this index, so these can be seen here. So what I am trying to say, that if you are finding any sudden fluctuations in this currency pair, in this or any of these, so you will be finding the same fluctuations on these assets also, because these are comprising with the same one. Okay, why is there can I know why is market OTC, sir? There are 2 market, one is the normal one and the second one is OTC, over the counter. So these are the different assets. Sir, how we save trade on forex? Mahvish Ali ji, if you want to trade on the forex by using the same strategy, it's very simple, very easy to use the same strategy. All you just need to use a longer time duration, so just switch the time duration to at least 1 hour to 4 hours, and then you are supposed to open the trade. You are open the position with the same indications once the MACD will intersect the 0 level, and in whichever the direction the intersection of MACD is there, in the same direction the bar should be there of the William percent R. So it should be either on the upper side of -50 or at the bottom side of -50. Okay, so that's how you can use it on the forex. Munir ji, I'm glad to know if you have joined the platform right now, or if you have joined the session right now, so you can just scroll the session back and you will be able to watch the complete video. And in the meantime, whatever the videos we are conducting, whatever the sessions we are conducting, guys, we are keeping them saved on the platform also. So all you just need to go to the content part, go to the playlist and just open the English playlist if you are comfortable with English, because on this platform, on this channel, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Spanish, English, Hindi, there are so many languages are available. So whichever the language you are comfortable with, I suggest use the same one, open the same playlist, and then you will be able to explore it. Okay, and guys, also I request you, I suggest you, please make sure before winding up the session, before closing the session, you make sure you subscribe the channel, because every now and then whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification and you will be able to get in touch with us, because every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English and in different languages, like throughout the week in different languages, we are coming live on this channel. So we just want to make sure that you are able to get in touch with us and we are able to help you. So make sure you take full benefit of it and stay in touch with us. Okay, so I can see that there are some we should just a minute. Good evening, sir. Friday strategy is good. Samudra Gurungji, of course, like Friday strategy is very easy to use also. You can follow the same if you are using it. And guys, understand one thing, there are no such strategies which is good or bad. It's completely up to us that how we are using it. So if you are in a battleground, so you can't say that the sword is better than an arrow or a gun is better than a sword. It's all depending on you, that how you are able to use it. Okay, so understand one thing, and how you will be able to use it wisely and more efficiently, that is completely depending on your practice. So whatever the strategies which we are discussing, we are talking about, or you are having a conversation with your analyst also, make sure you use it on demo first. Open at least 75 to 100 trades. I know that is going to be time consuming. You might feel boring and get bored, but understand one thing, guys, once you will be able to have a hold on that, only then you will be able to use it wisely. Otherwise, every second strategy you will find that no, that is not useful for me, I'm not able to make profit, this strategy is bullshit, I can't use it, or it is not giving me accuracy. But there is a possibility that the trader sitting next to you is making a lot of profit by using the same strategy. The difference between you and him is only the level of practice you have. Okay, so make sure you use the strategy wisely, you practice it wisely, and after that you take it to the live account. Okay, so we have taken one trade. Okay, so we took 2 trades. One trade is positive, the second one was negative. Okay, so US market is almost is already open, so we can assume that there will be some more fluctuations for hardly next 10 to 15 minutes. After that, the market will start observing all the news and everything, and then market will try to get a hold, and the market will try to move into some certain directions, or try to hold some certain patterns. Okay, so let me keep on shuffling the assets and we will try to find some more signals. Let me see if any more questions are there. Okay, so loser 2, on which asset we should avoid to trade? Very nice question, sir. If like there are some certain situations that when you should either take trade on a specific asset, or you should avoid taking trade on that. So that reason can be the market updates. Every now and then there is some data which is floating into the market. And guys, one more thing, NFP data this time that will be on Thursday. That is not going to be on Friday, because I believe that is the Independence Day or something like that in US. So as a reason that the NFP data will be preponed, so that will be issued on Thursday. So guys, the reason behind not choosing any specific asset or choosing a specific asset, that can be the news flotation also, like whenever some data is floating into the market, so at that time you will be finding that there are some specific patterns being formed. So if you know that how to use these patterns, or if you know how to use this strategy or use this news, then of course you should take trade on that specific asset. But if you don't know how to use it, the best which I'll suggest, avoid using that asset during that time, because you will find some sudden volatility or certain fluctuations on the asset, and you might not be able to understand that what exactly is happening. So the best which I'll suggest, so every now and then whenever the data is floating, you can avoid some specific currency pairs or some specific assets. If you want to know that whenever the news is going to be published, the best and the easiest way which I can suggest is, there are two websites. The first one is Yahoo Finance and the second one is investing.com. You can explore any one of them. If you talk about the investing.com, just open the website, just go to the on the top in the middle there is a button with the name of economic calendar. Click on that one, go to the filters, put 3-star filter in the beginning, or you can opt for the 2-star also, but I'll suggest if you are new to that, just open the 3-star, select the 3-star. Make sure you select the country time zone also, so that will be as per your country time, so everything is visible as per that. So whichever the currency data is there, whichever the country data is there, so if you talk about in a layman language that how to get a hold on the market, or how to get the information that which asset will be affected, so directly whichever currency data is going to reflect, you will be finding the fluctuation on the same currency pair. I mean to say, if NFP data, which is non-farming payroll data, that is being published by US government, by US, so of course that is going to affect the USD. So all the currency pairs, let me show you. So all you just need to type USD. So all these currency pairs will be showing you some sudden volatility when that data will be floated into the market. That could be in a positive manner also, that could be in a negative manner also. Okay, so that's how that data is working. Okay, so we have opened one trade in the downward direction because back to back reversals are there. Let's see if this trade will go positive. Okay, let me switch to the another asset also. And guys, so far if you have any doubt regarding the strategy, I request you, please make sure you mention in the comment section also. Okay, sir, sir, my withdrawal to account, sir. Ramesh ji, doesn't do not worry, your withdrawal will get processed. If that is not processed so far, you can get in touch with your support team and they will be guiding you with everything. Good evening, sir. Fridays on which asset? Hi Akash, the session is over. I just got the notification. Akash ji, I request you click on the bell icon and just subscribe the channel again, like unsubscribe and subscribe it. And if you're not aware about the timing, so every Monday, Wednesday, Friday 6:30 to 7:30 we are coming live. That timing is as per Indian Standard Time. Anchor Abdul ji, I'm sad to know that if you are feeling that way, but nothing to worry like that. Everything is streamlined, everything is genuine, and even that is the reason that every now and then we are coming live. We are providing so many services just to help you with your trading concerns, trading results, so you can improve your results. And guys, if I talk about the services which we are providing, so the first and foremost is we are coming live on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. Apart from that, for the expert level holders, there are two more services which we are providing specifically to them. The first one is we are conducting group Zoom sessions where so many expert level holders are joining, and apart from that there are some traders, like there are some analysts, those who are joining, and then they are talking about different technicals and everything. This is going to be a same conversation which we are having, but the best part of that, like in the last couple of minutes, the traders, they are getting some time to ask their questions so they can talk to the analyst. Okay, and apart from that, the second service, in that one we will be giving you one personal analyst, so they will be conducting one-to-one Zoom sessions. During these Zoom sessions, they will be going to have a conversation with you. They will be talking about different technicals, all your trading concerns, trading doubts, and all these sessions are going to be free, so you do not need to pay anything ever to anyone. So if you are on expert level, or if you were on expert level and you were not able to take part, benefit of that service, I'll suggest you, please make sure you take full benefit of that one. For that, all you just need to make sure, just go to the profile section, go to the settings, click on contacts and update your contact number. Make sure it should be updated on your account. In the meantime, if you have already updated but you were not able to attend the call, or you saw that it's an international number, so that call went to the spam, or you were not able to take the call because of any XYZ reason, but you want the call again, or you are not able to update the number, any reason, the best which I'll suggest, just go to the support, just drop a message, email to them, sir, I need some help in trading. this is my trader ID, this is my contact number, please raise a callback request. Once you will be stating that to the support team, guys, I'm stating again, please avoiding sharing personal information in the comment section. Just share it with your with the support team, and just tell them that you need some guidance in trading, so they will forward that request to my department. Someone from my team, we will get in touch with you and we will line up your sessions. And again, I'll confirm, all the sessions are going to be free of course. So if somebody is asking you to pay something, make sure that call is not from our side, because Olymptrade is not giving any such paid services. So everything is going to be free. Okay, so Akashji, is the 5-second trading? Akashji, I have seen so many traders like those who are able to make profits with 5-second trading also, but I'll suggest, if you are new to the trading, I'll suggest avoid taking trades for a very short time duration. Once you will be able to get a hold on your technicals and fundamentals, then I'll suggest that you can move to 5-second, but till that I'll suggest to stay away from it. Give me some signals for 1 month. I have already lost. Subhashji, I'm sad to know that I will not be able to give you that services, but I can tell you that how these strategies are working. So you will be able to use this strategy on your own and you will be able to trade. Okay, Mr. Subhash, I have been lost too, sir. I have lost large amount. I'm sad to know that, sir. Santosh ji, very good evening. Technical issue हो रहा है application में. Santosh ji, just you can connect them via call also, or just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com. They will look into it. Very good evening, sir. Raheen ji, Rehan ji, I request you, please use some technicals, because for now the session is almost about to finish. But still, if you are using any strategy, if you need any guidance on any strategy, just let me know. Tesla is going downside, just please check, please guide me. Durgesh ji, let me see. Yeah, I can see that some information floated into the market, and as a result Tesla was going down. I'm assuming that Tesla might go down for a couple of more days. Okay, so even in the pre-market time zones also, there are some sudden volatilities and sudden movements in the Tesla. Okay, so there was an opportunity to open a trade in the downward direction also, because both the confirmation were there, but again market is stuck in the consolidation part also. So the resistance level and the support level is very near. I am unique. Hello sir. Shakil ji, hello sir. I am from Pakistan. Shakil ji, I am happy to know that I am like traders are connecting with me from that far, and I am happy to see that I am able to help them in their trading concern. Guys, if still anybody is having any doubt regarding that how to apply this strategy, how to use it, still we have almost next 5 to 7 minutes to go, so feel free to write me in the comment section. Sir, forex में कब तक hold रख सकते हैं? So I am unique ji. That is completely depending on you and your technicals which you are using. So that is completely up to you, that for how long you want to use hold your position. If you're using the same strategy, what I'll suggest, just zoom it a bit down out, and then if you are finding that these signals, like these lines, these bars are having a very nice height, like these are very quite lengthy, and above, like they are crossing the -20 level also, so they are stating that specific trend might be in the hold for a longer duration. But if these the length of these bars is below this -20, so they will be indicating that the market can change the direction at any moment. So if you are opening a position somewhere on this candle or on this bar, okay, so you can still hold it till the time that is not going to be this bar or this one, or you will be able to find on the basis of the direction of MACD also. So once the direction MACD will change the direction, you can close the position, and again you can open the next position at the second intersection. Again you will be holding this position till this level, and once again there is going to be a reversal, or at this level again you will be able to close it. So that's how you will be able to make a small profit, not a very handsome profit, but for this one you are supposed to open your position for at least on a chart time frame of 1 hour, so that position will be somewhere for 2 to 3 hours. And in forex, the best part is that is completely up to you, that how much profit you want to make from that specific asset, that specific trade. Okay. एक क्रोम में सेम प्रॉब्लम है, कैंडल का टाइम शो नहीं हो रहा है सर. द कैंडल टाइम यू कैन check from here, or like for me everything is streamlined. I'll just request you just clear the cache and just try to get log in any another device. If everything is still fine, good to know. If anything is any issues there, support is there, just let them know. I'm also from Pakistan. Do you lose amount too? Okay, 2-3 minutes. Santosh ji, just try to clear the cache memory. Ilusho, what is the optimal time duration to trade? Mr. Ilusho, for this strategy, if you are using this strategy, so the suggested time frame, the suggested time frame for the chart minimum is 1 minute. You can increase it to 2 or 5 minutes also, and the suggested time frame for this strategy is 2 to 3 candle, or even you can use this strategy for 2 to 4 candles also. So if you are using it for 1 minute, you can open a trade for 2, 3 or 4 minutes. So as there are 3 different duration, so which one to be selected, so that is also depending on your previous trade results. So if you are opening some trades on 2 minutes and you are able to make profit, you can continue with the same, and whenever there is a one switch from one market to another, like from Asian to London session or London to US session, so of course you can try to grab a hold on that one, and you might find that sometime a strategy is working fine with 2 minutes or like with 2 candles in the morning or in the afternoon, but in the evening or late evening you need to just make some changes, and that is to the 3 candle trade. So that's how you are supposed to make some. Sir कुछ help करो, technical issue से loss भी ज़्यादा हो गया है. Santosh ji, I request you, please do not take trades, just stay calm, just try to clear the cache memory, just check with the internet speed if everything is streamlined, and if still anything is there, just connect with the support team. They will be helping you with that. Okay, nothing to worry. I request you, please do not wipe out your capital while making some random trades. Athar ji, I reached advanced status, but it seems impossible to get risk-free trade. Athar ji, like risk-free trade, slowly and gradually you will be getting on your traders fee. So if you will be able to see, everything is visible here. And sometime we are also conducting some sessions like where we are conducting some quick quiz, so you can participate in that one, and of course you will be getting some risk-free trades if you will be giving the correct answer. Can you please explain the strategy once again? Mr. Drott, I'm so sorry, we are not having that much time, but I'll just try to give you a quick overview that how this strategy works. So in this strategy we are using 2 oscillator. One is MACD and the second one is William percent R. In William percent R, in MACD there is a zero base level, so whenever there is an intersection of MACD line with this base level, in whichever the direction the intersection is there, that can be the direction of the market. So if the intersection is in the upward, market can move into the upward. If it is in the vice versa, or like in the downward direction, so market can move into the downward direction. So you can correlate. At the same time, you need to find the second confirmation with the help of William percent R. So in William percent R, there are 3 levels: -20, -50 and -80. -50 is the mid level. So if these bars are getting formed on the upper side of -50, so they will be indicating that market can move into the upward, and if these are in the below, they will be stating that market can move into the downward direction. So that's how this strategy works. You are supposed to find both the confirmation at the same time, or there should be maximum difference of max to max half candle or 1 candle, not more than that one. But if the difference is more than that one, I suggest to avoid taking trade on that one, because that can be a false signal, or that can lead to a negative trade. Okay, so that's how this strategy works. And while using this strategy or any strategy where you are using the Japanese candle, I'll suggest always focus on your support and resistance levels also. So do not take trades when these candles are somewhere in between these levels. So once this level is breached, of course you can follow the signal, or if there is a market reversal, of course you can take a trade on the basis of support and resistance. If you are not having much information about that one, there is one website you can explore. The name of the website is Investopedia. Go to the search bar, look for the price action, and if you will be able to get a hold on price action, I can assure you one thing, that again only after practicing, so you will be able to make a handsome profit on composites, only with the help of the support and resistance, like which what we call price action. And the price action is something which you can use for all type of strategies, with just to increase the number of confirmation, or just to avoid some market reversals, you can use that also. And there are two more websites which I have talked about. The first one is was the Yahoo Finance, and the second one was investing.com. So make sure you use those websites also. And if you are not well aware about that how you can use this market news, so I'll suggest, please make sure you join this session which we are conducting on Monday at 6:30. My colleague Akash is coming live at that time, so he's talking about market news, and that session is hardly for 30 minutes. That is not a 1 hour session, so that is hardly for 30 minutes. So make sure you take benefit of that also. And one last thing, guys, make sure you practice this strategy on your demo first. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, after that I'll suggest you please take it to your live account. Okay, so okay, let me see what's our last trade is supposed to. Okay, so that is still in the process, still 49 seconds to go, nothing to worry. We will try to move to another signal. And guys, if you have reached to the expert level, or you were on expert level but you were not able to take the benefit of that service which I have talked about, which is a personal analyst, so make sure you drop a request to the support team so we can get in touch with you and you can take benefit out of it. And again, I am confirming that all the sessions are going to be free, so do not need to pay anything ever to anyone, and nobody is going to ask you to pay something. Okay, so make sure you take benefit of it, and till that I request you, stay safe, keep practicing, stay in touch with us every now and then whenever we will be coming live, so you can get in touch with us so we can talk about different strategies. So thank you so much for sparing your time. Thank you so much for connecting with me. It was lovely talking to you guys, and thank you so much for such a lovely interaction. So this was your financial expert Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next session. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye, take care, cheers.